YouTube tells us that 65.3% of the people who watch our content are not subscribed. So please subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Souls. So dear friends, in this reading we are going to see your energies for the coming week. Let's see how the coming week is going to be for all of my friends on Healing Souls. And this is a timeless reading, so whenever you happen to click on this link, from that particular day onwards, these energies are going to be applicable for a period of say 7 to 10 days for you. So let us begin with the first zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Aries, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Aries friends. For Aries friends, dear angels, how the coming week is going to be. Wow. Magician, some kind of a magic manifesting. Oh my god, it's a wonderful, beautiful week for you, and I feel so energized seeing these cards. Wow. So there was a partnership that you were seeking. Somebody with an Aries zodiac sign is over here who is manifesting marriage for themselves. Can be a love marriage for themselves. There was some kind of a partnership that you were seeking. With somebody, and that is going to manifest for you in a coming week. So in the coming week, I see your energies that of a magician. You have all the elements inside of you to manifest best of the things. You're the greatest manifester at this time. Your energy vibrations, the law of attraction is working very high for you, and you can especially expect a big luck for yourself in the coming week. So the energies are superly fabulous for you. So looking for a love marriage, it is going to be fixed for you. If you were looking for an opportunity of financial gain, abundance, some kind of a lottery luck happening for you, yes, that opportunity is going to manifest for you. If you were seeking you were checking on the options for expansion and partnerships in your work area. Might be you wanted to move to another country, city, state, or might be you wanted to join somebody as a partner. Over here I see the zodiac sign of Sagittarius and Aquarius are very evident. Gemini is also very evident. So I feel that this partnership is going to be very fruitful and very productive for you. The coming week your luck is going to be very high. Some kind of a financial benefit, money will come to you. If you were waiting for money financially, the week looks very good for you. Your health is magical. If you wish to pursue spirituality, there is going to be an absolutely shift and a new perspective in your ideas. You're going to be divinely guided. The universe is behind your back in the coming week. Health is good, finances are good, love area absolutely manifesting a partnership, good relationships, and work area is also brilliant. Wonderful. It's a very lucky magical week for you. So there's going to be a dealing with a fair woman, dealing or relationship with a woman with blonde, gray or white hair. So either this person can be a person from another country with a blonde hair, might be for marriage proposals or your work expansion, or this person can be an older woman in life. Might be she was suffering on health and she regains her health. Might be your mother. Somebody was on your mind. So there is this person who is being highlighted for the coming week, and let's see. So they say shrewdness and resourcefulness, especially in business. So wow, I feel that there is a big business opportunity that you are going to bang onto it, because the universe is guiding you to have some shrewdness and resourcefulness, especially in the business area. Don't be very innocent and your naive self, and be a bit of with a bit of tact. You can manifest this opportunity which is coming towards you in the coming week. Wonderful, beautiful energies to start this reading. I'm feeling very energized. Thank you, God. I want to thank God for my Aries friends. So So here I see that might be you were looking for help, and you were feeling that the offers that come to me have some kind of discontent in them. But here the angels are saying there are wonderful people who wish to help you. Opportunities are being offered to you, but you aren't noticing or trusting the gifts heaven is bestowing upon you. Look around you. Daydreaming or going within is a healthy way to get clarity, as long as you act upon your dreams. So the guidance over here for you is that the universe is saying that we are sending you many gifts, many offers, but you are so bored and jaded with your life, and you're not even having gratitude for the universe. So it is time for you to give gratitude to the universe and take these offers that are coming from the universe. They are going to develop blissfully for you. So it's a very beautiful week for you. Lots of love and best wishes to my Aries friends. And now we are going to move on to our next zodiac sign, that is the sign of Taurus. And let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Taurian friends. Let's see. Okay. So I feel that there is a situation of heartbreak that my Taurian friends are going through. Some of you especially, the highlight over here for you is to take heart chakra healings and give time to yourself. Self love is needed. I feel that might be in your relationships or work areas, the energy around you is such in any area of your life that you feel a bit heartbroken, and this energy is already stuck in your chakras. There is an energy of a heartbreak, some kind of a lack, betrayal that is there in your heart chakra. It is stuck in your heart chakra as well. I feel it is stuck in your sacral chakra. So in the coming week, the guidance for you is to really take this healing, the last healing that I have made to release the scarcity from all of your chakras, is really going to help you come out of this negative blockage, because I see the offers of love, the offers of soulful joy, the offers of clarity, divine gifts are waiting for you. But you need to take time. Some of you are being guided to do some kind of meditation, some kind of yoga practices to absolutely release this negativity, and they're telling me that it's blocked in your third eye chakra and crown chakra also. So absolutely you're being guided to change your perspective towards life. If you are able to do this pose in yoga, headstand, please do this, because this headstand is going to help you release all the negative blockages from your third eye chakra and your crown chakra. You need to I'm telling you, you need to release your blockages from your heart chakra, your third eye chakra, your crown chakra, and your sacral chakra also, to manifest these big opportunities that are coming towards you, that you're seeking. That's the first guidance message that I'm getting. So initially, the start of the week only, Monday, Tuesday, I see you with a broken heart, and might be that's a guidance message that you should be working on that. And then from Tuesday, Wednesday, I feel that you started working on your energies. You've started taking the healings, or started doing yoga, meditations, and you've started to change the perspective of the things, how you're looking at the things. And towards the weekend, from say Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I see you coming back into your energies. Then there are offers of love, there are offers, then you feel kind of infatuation, love, some kind of childlike energy around you. Might be your children are giving you happiness, that kind of an emotional happiness is coming you. So the start of the week, I feel that there is some kind of negative blockages that needs to be blocked, and thereafter, as you change your perspective, I see blissful opportunities, happiness, and your inner child healing and playing from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The energies are going to be positive for you. So here we see rainbow, the most difficult part of the situation is over. Wow, I feel that, you know, with your healings, you're going to come over this most difficult part of the situation. Then they say finger warning you of a problem either now or in the near future. So I feel that, you know, this is a warning from the divine that if you won't pay attention to yourself, if you won't give time to yourself, self love, taking rest, doing meditations, then, you know, you can even have health problems, so much so, like, you know, going into depression. That those kinds of health problems can come towards you if you start to vibrate so low with the stuck up energies in your chakras. So you really need to work on all that. And then after that, from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we see blissful energies, because I feel you are with your family. So they say 10 of emotions, life is blessing you with a wonderful and loving family. So you have a wonderful and loving family, or might be there is an opportunity wherein they are blessing you with a loving and loving family. They say great happiness and emotional fulfillment are now on horizon. Wow, I feel over here, you see that, you know, sun is on horizon. As you heal your third eye chakra, crown chakra, you're absolutely going to bring these opportunities towards you. And I feel that, you know, an earth sign person and a water sign person is very evident for you in the coming week. There can be a Cancer, Piscean, Scorpio person, or Taurus, Capricorn and Virgo person who is evident around you in the coming week. And then, dear friends, life is blessing you with a wonderful and loving family. Great happiness and emotional fulfillment are now on your horizon. The harmony with those you love is assured. That is so beautiful, that, you know, if there's some area of your life wherein, you know, you feel that there is disharmony, the universe is saying that your loved ones love you. By offering forgiveness, understanding and kindness to others, you're rewarded with unconditional love. So please, you know, I feel that unforgiveness, that's the emotion that is stuck in your heart chakra. You can take inner child healing also from my YouTube channel. So open your heart for the unconditional love of the universe, as well of your family and the people who love you so much, who are by your side. So, and if you are seeing this reading for your career perspective, I feel that, you know, there is some kind of a creative idea that will come to you from Thursday, Friday, when you're going to meditate, when you're going to take some healings and connect with divine. Some kind of creative idea is going to come to you from, say, after the mid of the week towards the end, and you're going to feel so joyous about it, and you are being guided to bring all your chakras into balance. So you can take all chakra healing also, dear friends. See, rainbow has all the colors. Yes. So I wish you all the best. Kind of a mixed week wherein you are being guided to take healings, to change your perspective towards, and patience is needed, and patience and perseverance is your key. So let's move on to our next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Gemini, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Gemini friends. So in the last week we did see that, you know, the energies were as if, you know, there was some ending happening in the life of my Gemini friends. And let's see how the week is for the Gemini friends, coming week for my Gemini friends. Okay, let's see. Okay, so the week for my Gemini friends, I feel that they have some kind of a money, property, health, stability on their mind. I feel that a chapter in their life has closed, has come to an end, and in the last week or 10 days something has happened like this, and I feel that, you know, they are there was sleepless nights, there was anxiety, there was a lot of negative energy around you, which you have kind of, you're working on that, you're trying to release. I feel the main chunk, the thing that was causing you so much anxiety, has already come to an end, and there is clarity on a situation where there was no clarity. But in the coming week also, I see that you're vibrating a bit low. I feel that now you are feeling that you absolutely need to come out of this situation. Might be some of you are taking spiritual healings, doing meditations, connecting with spiritual healers, psychic readers also, and taking some guidance, because you are feeling very frustrated around this person or the situation which has ended in your life. And might be with the end of this situation, you are seeking something out of it. Might be some financial benefit, or might be your health was a struggle, or somebody's health was a struggle, and that makes you frustrated. For some of the people, it can be that your own health is you are struggling health wise, and getting many tests done for yourself, or for a person around you, and so there is a lot of stress, and you're feeling very disappointed. You feel like escaping from this situation, and just feeling that where to go. And in order to escape from this situation, you are checking many card readings also, you're going to many psychics also. You are like you want your answers, you're very frustrated. It's that kind of a situation. For some of my friends, it's happening like that. So mixed kind of a scenario. For some of my friends, there was a secretive relationship, and the communication with this person who is not at all open with you is such a stress for you. You're trying to move away from this person, but it becomes frustrating for you. And then again, this person sometimes tries to approach you. Sometimes you feel that I don't want to give up on this person. I will one day happen to manifest this relationship. Some kind of that kind of a struggle for somebody in love or a relationship. But I feel there is discontent, there is movement. For some of my friends, there is literal travel, but the travel that you're seeking is going to be full of struggle. So think about it, if you want to pursue it or not. Your health seems to be a bit low and disturbing, either your or that of a person around you. There can be an earth sign person who is very evident, a Virgo, Taurus, or a Capricorn person around you in the coming week. Some of you might be you want to pursue a higher education course, and you want to move towards that, but there's a lot of frustration. And for some of my spiritual friends, I feel that it is a week wherein you are feeling absolutely, somehow you're feeling disconnected with your divine, your intuition, and you feel that the spirituality, moving towards this spirituality, healings, card readings is becoming so frustrating on me. I'm pulling so much of a negative energy as well. Whatever I'm predicting is not coming true. So there is some kind of a frustration I see in the coming week. Discontent, frustration. Either you want to escape from a situation, or someone else wants to escape from you. That's such kind of energy wherein the divine is guiding you to connect with your intuition, sit for meditations, take some healings. You need to absolutely heal your third eye chakra and crown chakra for sure, I'm telling you. Yeah, so there is a situation around sexual matters for some. So they say rabbit, too much concern with sexual matters. So might be it is in a secretive relationship, this is your concern, or might be it's a concern of your partner. So there is a stress around that. Might be some of your secrets have come into opening, and so the relationship has come to an end. Or might be there is a struggle, there is some kind of a frustration. Might be you are suffering in something in your sexual health, and you're going to many doctors also, or healers also. There's something you want to manifest wherein you feel that There is a lack in this kind of a situation, and there is a secret admirer for you. Yeah, I was feeling that there is somebody around you there is a secretive relationship or a secret admirer around you, but might be, there is they are more interested in a physical relationship only with you. Six of Action, dear friends. This card gives me positivity in your situation. So it tells me that if you won't give up, then the situation can turn around in your benefit. And so they say, what a wonderful experience for you. Your project is a total success. Might be whatever spiritually you're growing, or might be whatever you're pursuing, you're very, very stressed about that, tired in your mind, body, soul. Might be it's related to your education, your higher education, or might be you're a lawyer, a teacher, a psychic, something like that. You're doing a lot of hard work, but you are not seeing the results. So here the divine guidance is that they are saying your project is a total success, bringing awards, promotions, or other recognition for your efforts. Well done. Might be, in the next week your energies are low, but this guidance message is coming to you that, don't feel like that of leaving everything and moving away to a new job or a new country, state, or a city, or leaving the relationship totally. So they are saying if someone who can help you. So they say, what a wonderful experience for you. Your project is a total success, bringing awards, promotions, or other recognition for your efforts. Well done. If someone who can help you offer assistance, know that this person is heaven sent, and say yes. Wow. So there is going to be a person that you are going to approach in the next week who is going to be qualified, educated, or intuitively very, very well connected to divine, who is going to give you ideas and right answers and solutions to your problem in the coming week. So I wish you all the best. Lots of love and best wishes to my Gemini friends. And so we are going to move on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Cancer. And let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Cancerian friends. So dear angels, what are the energy vibrations of the coming week for my Cancerian friends? I feel that Lord Vishnu is going to be connected for you in the coming week. There is an absolute turn of event and a big luck by your side. You are going to be blessed by, wow, Cancer, wow, amazing, wow, wow. So there is an offer of soulful joy, happiness, childlike contentment, and strength on your mind. You have been very strong. You have been pursuing a very, very difficult situation, might be in past weeks. There can be a Leo sign person, or a Piscean, Cancer, Sagittarian, Leo, Piscean, Cancer, Sagittarian, Leo person, or an these are the zodiac signs which are becoming very, very evident for my Cancerian people around you. In the coming week, you can expect big luck and forward momentum for yourself. So there is going to be an uplift of destiny for you. Something that you were wishing for yourself from a very, very long time is going to manifest for you. A lot of healing is coming for you. Balancing in your chakras is going to happen. An opportunity of travel, if you wanted to move to another city, state, or a country, is going to manifest for you because you have been very strong. Plus you have been healing your inner child. So with this inner child healing of your heart chakra, you have been able to absolutely give a destiny shift to yourself. The coming week is very, very lucky for you. In the coming week, I feel that there is some kind of a travel involved, definitely. I don't know in pandemic if you can travel, but might be a road travel. So I see you traveling in a car or something like that, because wheel over here also indicates to me, for some of you there can be an opportunity to purchase a new vehicle. Then for my Cancerian friends, in a certain area of your life, I see victory, success, health is very, very good. Whatever you were pursuing with a lot of compassion and inner strength is going to, you are going to see positive outcome for that situation. I feel that an Aries person is also evident. So I see Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, and Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio persons very, very evident for you in the coming week. There is so much victory, success for my Cancerian people. If you wanted to manifest marriage and settlement for you, it's a very, very good time. A big opportunity of success is going to come towards you. Something in your life has ended, or some big release in your energies have happened in the past week, or in the energies of the person. Might be there was a person around you who was suffering in their health, or might be you were suffering in your health, and there were blockages in your chakras, and because of that you were not being able to manifest big luck, destiny shift, money, lottery, opportunities for yourself. But this is going to happen in the coming week for you. Financial pinch, I feel it's away from you now. I feel that if you've ever felt financial pinch, in the coming week there will be an opportunity when, if you if you have owed your money to somebody, you can ask them for a payment, and might be they give it to you. Work achievement, success, yes, definitely in your work area, achievement, success, victory. I'm saying in any area of your life there is victory. Can be work, business, relationships. You are going to be victorious. You are going to see forward momentum, and I see that you're taking the control of your life in your hand and letting go, dear friends. I feel that many of you have taken healings from our channel and let go of the energy. So something has ended in your life. So they say releasing the past can seem like a challenge, but it can also be liberating. So you let go of certain energies in your life, and so you're able to turn this wheel into your favor. So they say your angels will help you let go so that you can fly higher than ever before. Endings always herald new beginnings. So new beginnings are on horizon for you. Choose to allow this situation to lead you to a more joyful life. Change your life by changing your thoughts. So big change, a big change of destiny is heading for you. Some kind of a decision you are going to make in the coming week. It can be in any area of life which is going to shift your destiny. So there is going to be a shift in your destiny. Very blissful, beautiful, positive energies for you. And if you had an infatuation on a person, they can approach you for settlement with you. So very, very beautiful, strong energies for you. Very good time happening for my Cancerian friends. Luck is by your side. Lots of love. Enjoy yourself. Let's move on to the Leo sign, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Leo sign friends. So for my lions and lionesses, let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Leo sign people. In the last week they absolutely wanted to come in their energies of positivity. So I feel that for my Leo people, they were waiting from a long time. There is a destiny shift that they are seeking, and they are in totally taking the control of the situation. It's a time of big time shift and manifestations for them. There was a situation around them wherein they were stuck, they were hanged, they were having patience. But the universe for the coming week is saying that you just need to change your perspective towards this situation, and it is going to manifest for you in the coming week. I feel that there is a person on your mind. This person can be Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or an earth sign person. Can be a Virgo, Taurus, or Virgo, Taurus, or a Virgo, Taurus, or a Capricorn person. So I feel that you were stuck on them, and this is a soulmate relationship in a love scenario, and some kind of you're feeling nostalgic about this person. Might be you're in communication with this person, and having a communication with them, you are feeling very, very nostalgic, some kind of such energies. But there is some kind of a waiting and patience that is also needed. So the angels are guiding you. I feel a bit of interaction is going to happen with your childhood friends, might be, or somebody from your neighborhood, or might be your brothers, sisters, somebody that you were waiting on, some kind of a news or some kind of an interaction that is going to happen. So in the coming week, I feel that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, the energies are very pleasurable. You are communicating with your soul family, can be your soul family from past life also, or might be your family, friends from past. And then from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I feel that you are again waiting on something with patience and changing your perspective towards seeing things from a different perspective. And for some of my Leo friends, I feel that there is a situation that you are waiting for from some kind of destiny shift from your children. Might be you want to unite with them, or you're waiting on a certain news from them. For some of my Leo friends, I feel that there is a situation of isolation happening around you, and you're feeling stuck up in a certain energy. Might be because of this COVID-19 scenario. Might be you are in isolation, or a person around you is in isolation. So there is some kind of a waiting and involved in the coming week. Then for some of my friends, there is a need of past life healing. So you can take that. There is a stuck energy in your chakra, which can be released with your past life healings, or to cut the negative cords of karma, as well the scarcity healings. For some of my friends, there is an absolute need to do a headstand. Yoga, meditations for the coming week definitely are going to help you heal your situations. So you're feeling nostalgic, that kind of an energy. So let's see. Guardian of thought. So they say you may be called upon to be a spokesperson for a cause close to your heart. Your angels will give you perfect words, and you will do brilliant. You may be asked to be a mentor or find one yourself. This situation involves someone who's professional, with a positive attitude and fresh ideas. This person could be you, may be emotionally unavailable. So I feel that there is some kind of a contract or an idea coming to you, an opportunity which is coming to you from somebody you knew in past. But there is some kind of a hanged man effect in that you'll have to see that opportunity from a different perspective, or might be there is a waiting period involved. For some of my friends, there is an opportunity to become a spiritual healer or a past life healer, and this idea has been given to you from divine. So pursue this idea. Tiger, they say doing something risky, taking a chance. Wow. So if you were waiting for an opportunity to, you're going on hanging on a relationship and not communicating to your partner, this is a time frame to take risk, and it can absolutely change your situation. Destiny shift can come with that. So whatever opportunity you are waiting on, wherein you can do a communication with somebody you knew in past, might be your brothers, sisters, might be your ex-lover, somebody, do that communication. It can be in the area of work, it can be in the area of relationship. You need to take risk. It's a time to take risk for you. So they say feeling tied down and frustrated. Yeah, with the Hanged Man, I feel that you feel tied down and frustrated. So in order to make this destiny shift, you will have to approach this person and tell them clearly that, look, I like you, I love you, I want a connection with you, I want to marry you for relationships. And for work scenario, you have to approach this person and say that, you know, I seek this partnership with you, or a job or a business opportunity, I want to manifest with you, or might be your brothers, sisters, whatever communication you want to do with them, that, you know, this is how we can heal our relationship, or, you know, we can work it out together. You will have to approach them, because there is going to be an end to this frustration, and a clarity will come to you only when you speak out your heart and mind. September, a month of September has been given to you. So if you're looking for this new opportunity to manifest for you, might be it happens in the month of September 2021 for you. So beautiful week for you, nothing to worry. So let's wish you all the luck and move on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Virgo. And let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Virgo friends. Okay, let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Virgo friends. What are the energies? A lot of healing, moving away from chaotic times towards calmer times and freedom. Oh my god, I'm so happy, I'm so happy. Big time healing for my Virgo friends, and a rebirth happens for you. I feel that my Virgo friends were taking a lot of healings from our YouTube channel, and now in the coming week they are absolutely going to move away from all of those people, places and situations which were causing a lot of chaos on their mind, body and soul, and there is going to be an opportunity of freedom for them. Situation around them is such that, you know, something new is about to start in their life, and that new chapter of their life is going to bring them a lot of freedom. This they are going to feel, they are going to sense it in the coming week, that, you know, all the healings that you were taking, that is leading to a lot of success in your life. And if there is something new that you want to pursue, might be in job, career, work scenario, or might be you are contemplating a move of some kind, so that is a very good divinely guided idea. There can be a middle person involved for the manifestation of this idea for you, or might be for your child, or might be for a person around you who is on your mind. This is a very divinely guided idea, and pursue this idea and bring this new energy. Take the leap of faith and move into the new that is coming towards you. Yes, you can do that, definitely. Harmonious relationships, happy times, blissful times for you. So for some of my friends, there can be travel involved in this, either for yourself or someone around you. You're seeking some kind of a travel opportunity to another city, state or a country. For some of my friends, there is an absolute leap of faith that they're taking. They were taking healings, and now they have absolutely, you know, healed their inner child at their third eye chakra, their crown chakra, and now they are moving on to the next life chapter. A big time healing has happened, a reconciliation in relationships have happened, a rebirth has happened in their family, a second opportunity has come towards them. So they are going to enjoy childlike. See, initially Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I feel that you will be taking healings, but you will be feeling very calm in your energies. Your mind, body, soul is calm, and now you feel that I am, the good energies are connecting towards me. I am out of the chaos now, and more clarity is coming towards me. And from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, absolute brilliant childlike energy and happiness is going to happen for you. So there is a dealing and a relationship with a man in the coming week. So you know it for yourself who this man can be. So a dealing and a relationship with a man is evident in the coming week, and they say new opportunities, possibilities, and pathways opening up. Yeah, exactly. With the Fool card, I did feel that this man can be a middle person who helps you in the manifestation of this new opportunity that you are seeking for yourself or somebody around you. New opportunities, possibilities, and pathways open up for you because you were taking a lot many healings and clearing your energies. And 2 of action, dear friends. Partnership for some of my friends. They say trust in your ability to make excellent choices. Wow. There's opportunity all around you if you just continue to move forward. It may be time to take on a new partner who can help you be a success in your career or creative endeavors. Yeah, I'm sensing this. I'm sensing that there is somebody around you who is going to with your sacral chakra and root chakra healing, even your creativity is going to be more sharp now. Keep your eyes on the big picture rather than the details of the moment. Wow. So this is beautiful partnership that is going to happen in your life. A second chance, a reconciliation. Might be the situations in your past that were not happening for you are going to manifest in the coming week, and a big time healing for you is coming in. So beautiful energies around you. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well, dear Virgo friends, in the coming week. Lots of love and best wishes, and I'm very, very happy that after 2-3 weeks these good energies have come for my Virgo friends. Enjoy yourself. Moving on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Libra, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Libran friends. So for my Libran friends, I feel that they have been taking a lot of healings and taking a lot of guidance and changing their perspective towards life lately. Wow. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's a very, very spiritual week for my Libran friends, that they are elevating in their energies. Okay, so kind of a mixed week. So for some of my Libran friends, I feel that they were really struggling in the past weeks, might be in their energy, in their body health, or around them there was a person around them, might be their parents or their in-laws, or there was somebody around them, or might be their health was suffering in the past weeks, or might be there was a lack in a relationship that they were sensing, that the relationship that they have with their partner, or might be with their parents or their child, was one-sided, they felt, and that there was no support coming from anywhere. For some of my Librans, they have also felt that there is lack of finances for them. There is no financial support also. So in the last week, I feel that they have felt some kind of frustration in their communications, might be with their clients, might be with their family members, or in their health also, some kind of such situation which was stressful, but they are not giving up. The thing with the Librans is that they do a lot of hard work, and they don't give up easily on the relationships, or might be on their work areas also. They do a lot of hard work despite people putting them down or not recognizing their efforts. They keep moving on. So in the coming week, I feel that the start of the week, I feel that you want to absolutely take some kind of spiritual healings, or you want to do meditation. You want to be in isolation. You want to cut yourself away from some people, places, and situations that are causing you some kind of discontent, Some of you are actually feeling like moving on to another state, city, or a country. As you know, you are evaluating and re-evaluating your situations in relationships, or might be in your work area, the work that you're pursuing. You're really feeling that, is it giving me that kind of financial benefit? Is it giving me that kind of soulful joy? Should I pursue this work or should I not? That's some kind of a lack feeling that you are feeling for yourself. So there is a period of evaluation and re-evaluation. Sometimes you feel that you're judged too much by people around you, by your loved ones also. That kind of a feeling is there, and so at times you feel that I should leave everything and move on, move away from everybody to I don't know which place, but might be you can seek spirituality and you want to move to spirituality and you want to do some kind of spiritual services, might be. So in the coming week, there is going to be an aha moment. There is going to be a rebirth after your evaluation and a re-evaluation situations that you were feeling lack on. There can be a situation of rebirth happening for you. There is an older woman evident. So they say dealing and relationship with an older woman. So for some of you, it can be your mother or mother-in-law who is causing you, because of whom you have some kind of a stress. Might be their health is causing you some kind of stress, or dealing with them, or might be this person is your client who is in a stressful situation. So they say disappointment in a friend or a love. So this kind of a disappointing situations are around you in the coming week, wherein you are contemplating whether you should pursue them or you should not pursue them, and you're seeking guidance, you're taking healings, some kind of such situation around you. And the month of September they give us here. So might be with regard to this older woman, they want to hint on the month of September. So they say helper of emotion. So they say romance blooms and you find yourself falling in love. Gifts of flowers, love letters and poems read aloud are all in your future, they say. Okay. So this all is going to come towards you if you feel some kind of lack for yourself, they say. Marriage proposals, weddings and past life connections are possible. If you are wishing for a reunion with your family or your ex-lover or soulmate, the angels are saying that it can happen for you. Someone new who is romantic, dreamy and emotional may enter your life. So it is possible that there is a new person entering your life, and so you are re-evaluating your situation with your current partner. This person could be an artist who is an idealist about love. So a loving person, might be this older woman is a loving person that you seek your guidance from, that and this person becomes evident for you. All in all, I'll say that it's a mixed week for you, wherein you are pursuing spirituality. There is some kind of a discontent that you feel in your financial status, might be, or your work, or your health of your or your partner or your parents, somebody, that some kind of such situation is there around you which is making you feel discontent. So it's kind of a bit of low vibrational week for you. So you can work on your energies. You can take there is energy stuck in your chakras. So you need some kind of healing. So that healing of removing scarcity from all chakras can really help you. So let's move on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Scorpio, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Scorpio friends. Coming week for Scorpio friends. So last week I felt that their energy was very high, positive, energized. And so in the coming week, I feel that you feel some kind of a discontent with your life. So initially the start of week, okay, let's see. So some of my Scorpio friends might be they are in isolation, or might be there is a person around them, can be their father, there can be somebody who is older to them, can be their parent, or a friend, somebody who is in isolation, might be because of COVID-19 they are being asked to stay in isolation. So the start of the week is such that, you know, my Scorpion friends are feeling low in their energy, and they are feeling discontented, and they feel that, you know, now, you know, they're not happy because of this environment around, or generally might be it is possible that, you know, the environment around us because of COVID-19 is such that sometimes we start to feel low in our energies, but the universe is guiding you and telling you that, you know, we are giving you, we are blessing you a lot, and so you should rather be in the mode of gratitude. You're not giving gratitude towards us, and when you will thank us, give us gratitude, we are going to bring opportunities of passion and good health opportunities also manifesting for you. The opportunities of movement might be love, success, or the passion that you want in your relationship, the soulful joy that you want in your relationship, that also will happen for you. So for some of my Scorpio friends, I feel that there is a disconnect with their partner in the coming week, partner or anybody around them who is wishing to keep in isolation, not be in contact, not to come. The other person is not even wishing to communicate. Either their situation is such that they don't wish to communicate, or they need some time to rest and come back in their energies. So from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I feel that, you know, there is a need of giving a lot of gratitude to the universe, and feel that, you know, I have a lot already served to me, and so I should not be discontented with life. I feel that, you know, initially Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you can feel bored of life because this scenario. And from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I see that you're coming back into your energies, and there is something in your home environment also, might be you're traveling also, that is changing. So from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I see positive energies. For my Scorpio friends, I see a Leo, Sagittarius and Aries person on your mind. Then we see a card of the woman where they say dealing or relationship with a woman. So in the coming week, there is going to be a dealing and a relationship, and there is a younger woman also. So they say dealing and relationship with a younger woman. So it is possible that, you know, there are two women that you are dealing with. You are having a relationship with a partner, married partner, and there is another woman you are having a relationship with, and so the week is kind of, you know, some kind of a situation happens around these ladies, or might be there is a situation of a mother and your wife, that kind of a situation is happening. You know it better, dear friends, or might be one of these women or both of these women have caught corona, and so that is your concern. So, you know, something of sorts is happening in the coming week. For some of my Scorpio friends, it is possibility that, you know, you realize that your partner, the partner you were having relationship with is involved with another woman, and that kind of a situation occurs wherein you don't wish to be interactive with them now, and you are, you know, either they are not interacting with you, or you are not wishing like interacting with them. Okay, so for some of my friends, it is possible that they have childbirth on mind, and they are not being able to conceive a natural childbirth. So the divine is telling that there is a help from another woman in this case that is coming to you. So the card of creativity and abundance. So because we see a lot many children here, so if you want to manifest childbirth for yourself, there are other options available to you. So they say creativity and abundance. Dear one, you're being called to action. You're ready to accomplish great things and truly come into the fullness of who you are. It's a time for great creativity, giving birth to beloved projects, or become a parent. follow your passion so that abundance and prosperity manifest for you. So for some of my friends in their work scenario, it is possible that the offer that you have received for your work, business offer, work offer that you were seeking for might be having an element of a discontent for you. But the universe is saying that no, this is not the element of discontent. We are giving you what you can pursue in the given time frame and according to your abilities. So take up this opportunity. Might be it involves some kind of travel also in future. So let's see how this week turns around. There are two ladies who are becoming evident for my Scorpion friends in the coming week. So lots of love and best wishes. Okay, so now let's move on to the next zodiac sign, and the next zodiac sign is that of Sagittarius, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Sagittarius friends. How the coming week. So in the last week we saw that the energies were a bit low for our Sagittarius friends, because might be there was some kind of a death scenario or something was ending in their life, and so they were feeling low in their energies. So in the coming week I see that the energies are very very good for my Sagittarius friends. They are feeling energized, they are feeling very happy, they are in good health. Might be there was some kind of a documentation that you wish to do regarding your property, regarding your job, or there was an offer of job that you were seeking on which has come to you. Might be for you or might be for your partner. There is an opportunity of financial benefit that you were wishing for which comes to you in the coming week. Or might be you had taken some health tests and those tests have come positive for you. So in the coming week I feel that your health is superb, very good. You're in very high vibrations, your energy is very good. You have the command of everything in your hand. You've taken the magic wand in your hand and you feel that from now onwards I am only going to think positive, to manifest positive things in my life. And I see that an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person and an earth sign person also, who is a Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini they want to say, is evident for you in the coming week. In the coming week I see you very very financially very sound. An opportunity of a big work or business, profession or settlement can come to some of my friends, or if there was some kind of a financial opportunity that you were seeking, that can manifest for you. And then for yourself, or might be for your father or your child, anybody around you, your friend can be a person who is offering you this opportunity. For some of my Sagittarius friends, if you were seeking the opportunity of marriage and settlement, I see a very very devoted person for you who is coming with a proposal, and you must accept this proposal. It's a very very victorious week for you, very abundant, very victorious, high vibrational and grounded week for you. You are going to look very charismatic. You are going to work on your looks. You are going to perform all your tasks, everyday tasks. You are going to perform very well, very grounded in your energy, and everybody around you is going to absolutely love your vibes and your energies. This is very good. Yes, dear friends, you have good luck by your side, my Sagittarius friends. This is so beautiful. I'm so happy for you. Oh my God, and happiness and well-being. Sun is shining on you. Wow, amazing week for you, Sagittarius friends. Definitely enjoy, because after the energies of last week, low energies, you must enjoy this week. And they say be open to success. Whatever you want to pursue and whatever opportunity has come for you now, be open for success, my Sagittarius friends. They say look at all the wonderful things you can do when you listen to your divine guidance. So when you're listening to the guidance that you're getting from our YouTube channel, see what good things you can manifest for yourself, and even the healings that you're taking from our YouTube channel. So they say you balance so many different priorities and have come out a winner. Wow, amazing. There will be a lot of recognition and praise headed your way, but don't be shy. Allow others to shower you with the gratitude you deserve. Wow, wonderful, yeah. Beautiful energies for you, my Sagittarius friends. And you're looking also charismatic, you're giving yourself love, so much grounding energy, so much sacral chakra, root chakra, earth chakra energy. Wow, I'm just loving it for you. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. Very, very beautiful week for you in all areas of your life. It's going to be wonderful, wonderful for you. Just enjoy yourself. Now let's move on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Capricorn, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for my Capricorn friends. Capricorn friends, wow, healing is coming in their life, in their relationship. Universe is saying healing is coming. Wow, there's a lot of hope, healing, expansion. Wow, so I feel that in my Capricorn friends life, something happened in past, which was with regard to their home scenario. Might be there was a problem in somebody's health, and you were seeking healing or isolation. You were isolated, might be from your partner, or might be there was a scenario in your home which needed some kind of a healing. There was some kind of chaotic or a shocking situation that happened for some of my Capricorn friends. Literally, there was a family member who might have moved to another side also. In the coming week, I feel that it is a very, very beautiful, blissful week for you. A lot of healing is coming for you in the coming week, and there is a lot of hope and inspiration. And if you were seeking some kind of an expansion, an opportunity of travel, moving to another city, state, or a country, that opportunity, a wish fulfillment can happen for you in the coming week. There is definitely chance of expansion in the business, in the work, business, career aspect as well. If you were looking for an opportunity to expand and have discussions with your partner for an expansion, for a childbirth, might be if you were looking for an opportunity to settle down with a person and have a discussion with their family for an expansion and marriage, commitment, settlement, that can happen. If you were wishing for a childbirth, yes, very much the time frame is very much for you to manifest a childbirth for yourself in the coming week. Something that is manifesting for you. Oh my god, and we see a boat here. I was really feeling that a movement from home for some absolutely an opportunity to move to another country, might be because we see the card of a boat also here. And they say money or opportunity, money or property through an inheritance, winning or windfall. Wow, amazing, yeah. So some kind of a opportunity of expansion, as in money and property is coming for some people through inheritance, and for some others winning or windfall gains. That is the opportunity of expansion. And for some others, I feel travel and movement is there on cards for them. Flag, dear friends, they say do not be tempted to lower your standards. So whatever opportunity is coming for you now that you were seeking, and there can be a middle person involved in bringing this opportunity towards you. I feel an Aquarius sign person or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius sign person can be evident. So whoever is bringing this opportunity to you, you don't need to lower your standards. So whatever you want to ask for when this division of property is taking place, of inherited money, you can put your things forward that I want this much. Or might be when the discussion of your job contract or business opportunity, you should be affirmative, stick to your demands, that this is what I demand, and then only I'm going to take up this opportunity. So very beautiful time frame for you. Ace of thoughts, definitely an opportunity is coming, a new idea is coming for you. It's a very beautiful blissful time for you in the coming week, my Capricorn friends. They say this cherub has arrived to congratulate you for your brilliant new idea. So it's some kind of an idea is going to come to you. For some of my friends, it's absolutely moving on into spirituality, becoming a healer, pursuing a new path of career. So they say it's important to communicate clearly and thoroughly with others who are involved in the implementation of your idea. Don't be dissuaded by little changes along the way. These are merely course corrections to perfect your plan. So whatever idea that you have, might be you have an idea of moving to another city, state or a country, and you can have a discussion about this to your family members or the people around you. There is a divine idea which is coming to you, which is guided by the divine, which is a very big opportunity for you. And for other friends who were suffering in their health, healing is coming for you in the coming week. There is going to be reconciliation with your partners and healing is coming for you. So lots of love and best wishes. Very very beautiful week for my Capricorn friends. And now let's move on for our Aquarius friends, and let's see how the coming week is for our Aquarian friends. Coming week for the Aquarian friends, what are the energies? Okay, some kind of an expansion, waiting on something, waiting on your ships to land, waiting on travel, waiting on expansion, waiting on movement. And 5 of Cups in reverse. So you have been able to release a lot from your mind, body and soul, and so a very very painful chapter of your life has come to an end. A lot of releasing, a lot of crying, a lot of remorsing has already happened, and now good times, expansion, travel are ahead for you. I feel for some of my friends, might be they have lost a family member also, might be, you know, there were situations, either loss of some opportunities, or might be they lost some family members. Okay, let's see. So they say ink pot, problems to be resolved. Yes, I feel that, you know, with this card in reverse, I feel that, you know, you are going to in fact surrender your sadness in this week, I feel, and you are going to be free and joyous. A long journey, either physical or mental, will leave you wiser at the end. Yes, I was feeling for some of my friends there is literally some kind of a journey with their kids that they are planning on, some kind of travel or journey that can be that you're traveling. But for some of my other friends, if there was a situation of loss and remorse, that is going to heal in the coming week. And for some of my friends, there was a situation wherein there were many blockages in your third eye chakra, your heart chakra, your solar plexus chakra and sacral chakra, and that emotional healing is going to happen for you in the coming week. So there is an opportunity, a new opportunity, a leap of faith that you are contemplating, or that has come to you, or it is going to come towards you, which is going to release you of all the blockages. And these blockages have been released from your body also, because you took so many healings from our YouTube channel, and so you've been able to release the blocked emotions from your body. So in the coming week, they say Ace of Emotions, this cherub is announcing that a wonderful new emotional experience is coming into your life. You may meet someone new who makes your heart flutter, or your current relationship will experience a reawakening. Yes, that's what I was feeling. There is an expansion there in your current relationship. There is reconciliation, reawakening happening. It's also possible that your intuitive abilities will be greatly increased by your open heart. Yes, exactly. You've happened to open your heart with these healings. So Good times lie ahead for you. Something that you went through in your life, a very painful cycle has come to an end for you, my Aquarius friends, and good time ahead for you. Lots of luck, love and happiness for you. Enjoy yourself. So let's move on to our next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Pisces, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Piscean friends. Let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Piscean friends. Page of Pentacles. One thing, good health, good routines. You are concentrating on yourself. Wow. So the balance, the karmatic rewards and healings are coming to my Piscean friends in the coming week. Might be you were taking many healings from our YouTube channel, and so you have built on your physical and emotional health now, and so these opportunities of material manifestation, stability, soulful joy and happiness are coming towards you. These proposals are coming towards you in the coming week. I see that there is going to be an invitation, an offer of soulful joy. Now it can be in relation to love. They gave me definitely healing in love is coming, balance is coming, how much you were giving in your love area for people. Okay, first I'll talk for this relationship love scenario, because my Piscean friends are very emotional people and they have a lot they are always seeking equality in their relationship. So in their relationship I feel that balance, equality and healing is going to come. They were seeking for some kind of a wish fulfillment, and they were keeping hopes. They were balancing their chakras also. And so in the coming week, there is going to be a person who can be a Piscean, Cancer or a Scorpio person, or an earth sign person who is a Taurus, Virgo or Capricorn person, and for some people can be Libra, Aquarius also. Approaching them for stability, security and love, if you're looking for love. So this kind of a proposal can come towards you. For some of my friends who are looking for this reading for their job, I see that an opportunity, job or education, that an opportunity, an offer of soulful joy with regard to your job or career or your education, might be for yourself or for your child, comes to you. There is an invitation from an institute which is a good offer for you, and you must pursue this offer. There can be an offer of travel also for some of my friends, and the month of August they are telling me when this thing can manifest for some of my friends in the area of their love and relationship. Their marriage can manifest in the month of August 2021. For some of my friends who are seeking job, career perspectives, this offer which is coming towards you can manifest for you big time achievement or settlement in the month of August. And your health is good in the coming week. I see you pursuing your healings. I see you pursuing your exercising regimes. You are eating balance. Your mind, body, soul is balanced. There is something new that you've started and that I feel is started paying attention to yourself, started giving love to yourself. And now that you've started paying attention to yourself and started giving love and affection to yourself, I feel that many opportunities of love, affection is coming towards you from other people also. So they say dog barking, advice from a friend. So there is an advice from a friend. You're going to have a conversation and a certain advice from a friend is going to come. Eight of Abundance. It is going to be a very good time frame for you to pursue your work. In the next week, you're going to pursue new projects, might be new work opportunities or studies, and you're going to really enjoy that. So they say, Eight of Abundance, this is a time of learning and owning your skills. Wow, learning and owning your skills, dear friends. You may feel inspired to go back to school. Yeah, for some of you, I feel that a school for yourself, learning something for yourself that gives you soulful joy, or might be moving in towards spirituality. You want to learn something for yourself, or might be for your child or your husband, an opportunity. A partner might be for your wife also. So they say you may feel inspired to go back to school, take seminars on topics that fascinate you, or educate yourself on the healing arts. This is a good time to change jobs or make career moves. Wow, it's clear over here. The key to success is in the details. Monitor your projects carefully. So whatever you're doing, dear friends, thoroughly get involved in that project or that energy, and balance that energy for yourself. Balance your chakras and give your 100%, whether it is with regard to your health that you're working on, with regard to your career, with regard to your relationship. Now focus on that and give your 100%, what you can do to bring stability in this area of your life. Finances are good, health is good in all aspects. A lot of healing is coming towards you, balance is coming towards you. Start of a relationship, stability is going to happen for you. All this is happening because you've started giving yourself love. You started putting yourself first, and don't forget, dear friends, give yourself love, and so your cup will be filled to give to others also. So I wish you all the best, and I wish all the best to all of my friends on Healing Souls. Enjoy yourself well. Thank you very much.